Hi. Why are you guys not sleeping? At this time, Cindy. Well, Konje, you going to the gym today? Yeah, I am. But I'll go during the day. I just figured out that I can't go to the gym extended because it's all just fucking packed. I actually went on live wanting to vent, and I'm happy with the views. I wanted to vent though. Can I see your beautiful face? Nah. I'm not feeling like myself right now. Ish, guys. What's wrong? There's nothing wrong. I'm fine. I do sound sad, ne? I do sound sad. I do. Good morning, Stony. So today, let me tell you what happened namhlanje. So me and my friend, okay, obviously mina nomngani Nothando, we went to Groove Nanan. Angiphuzanga kakhulu because you know how much I said that ngifuna ukuyojima namhlanje and everything. So I was just trying to keep my composure and everything. So I wasn't really drinking like that. But bengizama nje ukuthi ngibe like kuyabhora ukuba around drunk people and then you're not drunk. But today I was just like, it was just one of those days, obviously, because I'm not really drinking like that. I wasn't really drinking because I was just... When days are dog friends like Cindy, we don't see them. Well. Well. Yeah, it's gonna be my first day today. I can't wait. I really can't wait. It seems like you invested a lot and you lost a lot of a good time. Well, it's life, my babes. What happened with your friends? Here in Joburg, I only have one friend. Just so you know. Like calling nomngano yedwa. If manje kuthiwa ngijikela uThando, then I won't have anyone like Goli because Tando is the only person I currently have here in Joburg. Like literally someone that I can call when I'm actually like going through the most. Tando's the only person. So if my Asakto Tando turns his back on me, I'm fucked. I'll be really fucked. Why are you not sleeping? Because I don't know. Aklalek, and I've been having Red Bull Exeni, so maybe that's why. Because I'm supposed to be sleeping. Are you drunk? If I was drunk, I wasn't going to be live, my babes. When I'm drunk, I don't have time for this. I do not have time. I do not have time. The way you say fucked, ugh. I'd be fucked vele if Utando fucks me over like that. But currently Utando like Goli. I'm not talking about Durban, about Ulisa. Ulisa is very far from me, but I'm talking about Joburg in general. If Abanting Nabo right now that I can stand on the ground and say that this is my person, it's literally Tando. Literally, like, if my ask to a man, Tando just wakes up and decides, well, you know what? Boris is my friend. What the fuck? What about Boris? Is he not your friend? That's my bestie. Inking awulaleli, melulalele, babes. I just genuinely love you and your personality. You're so real. I am. I don't have time to tell you guys that, oh my God, this, oh my God, that, and pretend. I don't have time to pretend. I love Tando so much. So much. Ingakho ngithi if mengasekuthiwa manje Tando turns his back on me, I'd be fucked. Like, I'd be scared because he's literally the only person I have here in Joburg. Literally the only fucking person I have. Like Goli. Anginayo omunye umuntu cabanga. Anginaye. Not because abeka bafunayo kuba khona, but they just want to be there for their own, whatever you call it. It's not genuine. And I know it, Mina. Like, I will know the minute I meet you that you are not about to be the best thing in my life, but I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Obviously. Wenza kahle ungabi nabangani I'll give you the into ehlala ingenza ukuthi ngihlale ngibe nabangani that are wrong also is because ngiyabanikeza isikhathi where I'm just like, oh, maybe I'm the one who's overthinking. I always think that maybe I'm the one who's overthinking because I've had people that told me that, no, you're such an overthinker. It wasn't even like that. So now, like, I give myself chances with people before I actually just bail out. But abantu bayakhathaza. Bayakhathaza yo. Bayakhathaza. Ngizomshaya mina uThando ngoba I love you. Hayibo, wenzeni uThando? Guys, you don't listen, ne? Thando didn't do anything. Anlaleli. And the girls you go out with, which girls, my babes? Which girls? Yeah, people are tiring. Nothing. Let me tell you what's in Fisan. Ingathi ngahamba ngiye somewhere where no one, like, at a place where no one fucking knows me. And then even kuthiwa moya kuleyo ndawo, I wish social media worked like that. Like, abantu base South Africa bazana bodwa like South Africa, and people from UK bazana bodwa UK, and people from wherever bazana bodwa, unless you actually like have like connections to go about to get to know people from the outside. Nan. I wish it was like that. Because I wish also you could pay even if it's going to be a lot of money, but at least we are paid. And then you get to be on that list. Because that would be so good. What happened, baby? Nothing. I'm fine. I am fine. What are you wearing there? I feel the same way. Ngiyafisa nje ukuba far, far away. The time uthi nginaked lapho ngithanda nokulala ngamapijama Nkosi yami. Azongijwayela amasimbi lona. Ngiyagqoka amapijama-ke mina mfanami. I love wearing pajamas. I love it so much. I love it. You're in the dog city. Duh, obviously. I did it on purpose. Hey. Who are we talking to? Who do you want to be talking to? You look beautiful yesterday. That spring thingy. Thank you, baby. Oh. Girl, I honestly love your friendship with Tando. Hey, it looks genuine. I love it with my heart. I love it with everything. That's my buddy. Like, Tando is one of those friends that you fight with, and then while you guys are still fighting. Oh well, obviously, I mean, when I'm angry, I'm a hope some I get when I get angry, guys. I get super angry. The same way I'm too nice, when I get angry, I explode. So, Utando is the one person that's gonna be like, no guys, noma angasachazelanga abantu yena azichazele yena no izinto zoba right. And then angeke akhulume nami, he will wait on me. And mina wrong one thing about me is I know my wrongs. I will go to Tando and I will say, Tando, I know I was wrong. I'm sorry. I love that bitch. Like, I love that bitch with every inch in me. If ever Tando, like, literally disappoints me or I disappoint Tando, of which I know I wouldn't disappoint Tando, but if Tando would literally disappoint me, I'd be wrecked. You know those friendships where you know that if I lose this person or if this person actually turn their backs on me, I'd be fucked. Not because they actually gossiped about you or whatever the case may be, but you know that if mina sekuthiwa ngiyamluza lo muntu lo nje, inhliziyo yami ingaba buhlungu. Like ingaba buhlungu lokho ukuthi hawe ma, I lost this person. Don't get mad, Ebo. Don't get silly mad. I get mad. I do get mad a lot. Like, I lose it. I always lose it. I always lose it. I feel like Tando is my friendship soulmate. I feel like that. I love it. I love the whole idea. Listen, the thing is, I love having friends. That's the thing. Like, I love having friends. I enjoy having friends. Like, it's the best thing. And also, to think I mean, I grew up like being the middle child and I was the only girl. And just no one paid attention to me. So from the time I started making friends, like I've always been like, I love you. Like I don't just pick out of nowhere. I love aura. I judge from aura point of view, not from how you look or how you dress or how much money you have or whatever the case may be or how famous you are, whatever. If aura yami iti, this is our person, because I know I fucking have the dopest aura in the whole fucking world. Mengithi aura yami meyithi ulo esimfunayo. Ulo esimfunayo. And then the rest, most of the girlies that I've been with, it's just girlies that I actually put them into the test and then ngazama ukuba bangana nabo. But also every time when they were about to betray me or when they betrayed me, I always have a dream about them doing some shady stuff. And then I just think that maybe I'm just overthinking. And then they end up doing all those things. And I'm like, oh, child. But I will still give you a chance. That's the thing. That's the thing about me. When I can see what's a red flag or you just a bad friend or whatever the case may be, but again and again and again. Not even 3 chances. You know how you're supposed to be giving someone just 3 chances? I give people more than 3 chances. That's the thing. But my sister figures, then I'm like, nah, pass, bye. Asilali osesivukile ngivukile cabanga ngadlala. I'm probably gonna sleep like around 6 o'clock, and then bengithi ngizoya ejimini ekuseni, but nah, I think ngizoqala ntambama or something, or during the day, because I don't want to go to the gym like kugcwele khona abantu, but also ngizojima. I can't really tell you ngizojima ke sesivukile ish. Niyaphi kanti nina? I just left the club at 4. I got here and can we please see you? Nah. But usa decide ukuthi uvukile noma ulele. Ubuya nini? Oh, kuyiwaphi? Lol, we're going to work. Hayibo, kanti nisebenza phi guys? Mina nisebenza kephi la kumele uvuke ngo 5:30. Okay, 5:30. Uye ebhasini ngo-6. Uye ebhasini noma etekisini ngo-6. Yazi angcono ukuthi ngaba not even a billionaire. Ngifuna ukuba a trillionaire, and then I give everyone like imali man, like ngibanikeza imali abantu ish, but manje ish, it's gonna fuck up everything. Abelungu bayayithanda lento ye-poverty and abantu abadinga ngosebenza, because now it's gonna fuck up everything. You should have what? Sithi breakfast nyana ayibonga uvuka ngibinakala isikhathi inkinga ukuthi angakalali vele emsebenzini. Cindy, I'm so tired. I have a meeting at 10. Babe, sleep. You're gonna wake up at 9:30 and tell them that I'm on my way and rush to the meeting. Yo, I banging ngilunge emsebenzini mina. Kizothi basathi ngithi guys, listen. You know what happened? Ngiqamamanga yeso. Ngithi ngisavuka nje, mengivuke mekumele ngiye kwi-meeting ngo-10, ngiyazazi ukuthi if ngiqala ngigeza, obvious that's gonna take like 15 minutes. So by the time I'm done dressing up, it's already like, and I still have to take like public transport or Uber or whatever the case may be. Kusakhona nama-robots, hey. Ngiqamamanga ngithi lalela. Ngithe ngivuka nje ekuseni ngihlala e-28th floor and ugesi awukho, kumele ngehla ama-stepis. Mengihla ama-stepis and mina ngihlala e-28th floor and that's the last floor. Mengifike ezansi sekuphele Uber ingishiyile, sekumele ngirequeste kabusha kuphela ugesi. My building had like electricity tripping, and it was like izinto bezingahambi kahle. Ngabe ngihlale ngiqamba amanga awe Nkosi yami. Ngithi by the time I got to the ground floor, I was literally taking the stairs. By the time I got to the ground floor, yonke into nje like ihambile Uber. I had to like start again and request, and being requested all over again. The Uber driver was getting lost. Oh my God, not the Uber driver getting lost, like the Uber driver was getting lost. And while he was getting lost, I was trying to direct him. By the time getting I am running late. Yo, ngabe nginamanga mina, ngabe ngihlale ngixoxa kodwa emsebenzini, but ngabe ngithi okusala ngichazelile, it's better than ukuthi ngingakuchazeli, dog. Like, come on now, be nice. I saw you at Louis, but I was scared to say hi. Why were you scared to say hi? You need to say hi to me. I love people who say hi to me, honestly. I love it. I love it. I was actually feeling so sad. I'm so fine right now. I was feeling sad. Maybe I was tripping. Oh, maybe I'm about to get my periods. I don't know. I was probably tripping. I was probably just tripping. I'm fine now. I'm literally fine. Maniphuzile aninaso still isibindi, guys. Maniphuzile aninaso still isibindi. Isibindi sani? Asinaso isibindi. Isibindi siyadliwa mos. Nifuna sibe nezibindi zani kanti? Warnings zakho emsebenzini ungasayini yonke mihla until bakubonisa umnyango mos. Yo, kodwa mina every time ngiqamba ngabe ngizoqamba manga ane evidence. Bazinginikeza i-warning noma ngisho manga ane evidence. Hayibo. Ngabatshela ngesi no, but listen. Or before, okay, or you know what you could do? Befriend the person lo balekile emsebenzini, the person lo wonke umuntu amsaba, just befriend that person, like somehow, like umthande, umhloniphe, like the uqala umhloniphe phela na ungathi ufika phela manje usuyaxoshwa sekukhuluma ama day off cha, when you still new, like bamarinate bathatha bafake oven yabo mase bafake oven ke Mina, if I see you in the club, I'll jump and kiss you. Angeke. Hey, kisana. Eklapini uyazi ukuthi ngikade kanjani. Bazokuxhavuna kabuhlungu. Bayokutapa. Uyakhumbula ngenkathi kutapa. Bazokutapa ngale ndlela bekutapa ngayo yonke into tapa lapha. I just remembered something. You guys, do you remember Endabeni? Do you remember Endabeni? So people were looting there. So these people were looting. So I'm at bayaloot. So listen, guys. So I'm at bayaloot. Okay, no, like this is serious. So, okay, abantu bafika baluthi. So, as in, guys. Okay, so baluthe, and then kube khona laba baluthe, and then kube khona labantu laba balutha. Yo, guys, baluthe I couch ne, baluthe couch, baluthe couch, and the couch is like, I think it was like what, 22K or 17K or whatever the case may be. And then bafika ba oh, sorry. Kuba ukuthi angihleki bona izenzo zabo wrong. Angihleki bona, guys, don't get me wrong, like I swear to God, ngihleki izenzo zabo. Bafike balutha ilona couch, and that couch is fucking huge. That's why it's so expensive. Like, it's a huge couch. I baluthe, and then bafike bahlala like I don't know how I'm gonna say this without being like mean or whatever the case may be, but bahlala kwama shags. And then maybe bahlala kwama shags. You know mawulutha awunandaba. Awubusacabanga ukuthi asikho ispace sayo endlini. Yabo abantu abalutha abacabanga ukuthi asikho ispace sale deep freeze ngiyithathile naleli fridge engiliphethe ngesandla. Abantu abayicabangi yonke leyo nto. Bamane bayathatha bayahamba. Bathatha i-couch le blue avele indabeni thiwa bayithathile yangangena endlini. Cause balekile ukuthi ulandela amaphupho akho. No matter what, like follow your dreams. Like you need to do that. Like we understand abantu bazile when they were still looting. Bayekele izinto eziphathekayo bathi thina sifuna le couch le, and le couch le iyoni ezoba right. Bathi iyona le couch ezoba right, i-right le couch ibalekile. Bathatha yona yangangena endlini bayishiye lapho ku-pavement. It's either mele ba-extend khona i-couch izofitha or i-couch bayayidayisa kodwa ayekho ufuna ukuthenga ngoba isikhathi sokulutha. No one has the patience yokuthi let me buy that. Everyone wants everything for free, so they were like, you know what, let's just leave it on the road. And they actually left it on the road. Oh, I was laughing. I was laughing so hard. Like, I actually sat down and analyzed it from the get-go. I want to buy the couch. Maybe it's about, yeah, siyatshontsha vele. Bangacabanga my consequences. Yo, I loved it. I loved it. Yo, lento kade beyenza abantu. It was so funny. Where are you located, Vele? Angege. Ngihlala eGoli, my babes. Well, I'm originally from Durban, but ngihlala eGoli manje. Guys, to think I wasn't okay. Oh my god, I love going live. This is why I love going live. I was really not okay. I'm fine now. Bafuna ingoma. Ingoma. Yo, kazoka mnandi ukuhleka shem. Labantu laba bathathi labantu it's either bayazi ukuthi mesithathe le couch le, it's either mele extend or mele siyidayise, but now abantu bayatapa abanazo isikhathi sokuthenga. Yazi bayenza njani? Bayishiya emgaqweni cabanga. Ngathi yes, those are my people. Angithi uZuma bambophile mele bamkhiphe. Angithi uZuma bambophile mele bamkhiphe. Yo, those days I used to laugh like crazy. I used to enjoy everything. Bengibuka indaba nje ukuthi ngizohleka. Ubani wandile manje? Okay, honestly, Mina, I really wanted to loot. To loot me? Loot you? On those days? No, my babes. Pass. Bungeke uzungithole mina. Ngikhuluma indaba ye-couch la guys, i-serious le ndaba le couch blue. That couch was blue and ububona ukuthi i-couch serious. Yo, Namapara had a voice those days. They literally had a voice. Yo, guys, ngahleka mnandi yazi. Ngiyayithanda ilife yami mina abantu abangaka. Oh, peaceful. It's so peaceful. I love it. When lost nje ngibe nama views amangaka normal. These are normal views. Like when you go live and then you get like 100 people, and then from 100 below, that's normal. Okay, let me just say from 150, and then to below, like below than 150, then that's normal. Like from like 100, like it maximum go 150, and then minimum could be probably like 75, 60. It's normal. I like this. I used to love this so much, and I'm alive. I'm actually all the time, and it used to be so nice. Now, remember a shop right about oil. Yakumbula lo oil cake. Abantu babhizi bathatha imishini yokwasha ubhizi udle cake. Guys, anisile nina yo. Emkhumbula lo edla ikhekhe. Abantu babhizi bayalutha bathatha imishini. Bathatha izinto ey'ngadayiseka udla ikhekhe. I-Black Forest. Yase-Shoprite. Yo, shem. Niyasibukanisa nabantu shem. Wayedla ikhekhe lo muntu, guys, like literally adla ikhekhe. Yo, edla ikhekhe khona lo moye bambuza ukuthi yo khona lo munye lo wavele warapper cabanga bambuza bamshaya ku-interview wavele wathi angazi umrapper wakephi he warapper awu Jesu washow i-talent lakhe kwavele kwabe i-talent show kwashuba kwabe i-talent show ngavele ngabona kapho ukuthi yazini uNkulunkulu noma usungabuya manje noma usungabuya Nkosi yami ngeke sikujaji. Yo, abantu bayamthanda uZuma, abantu bayamthanda uZuma. Bathi nje, you know what, yazini futhi ikuyonisiza ukuthi nenze into right. How lo Mercedes Shem uzoba right. Uyi-rich kid futhi loyo wayephapha nje. The fact that uhamba nangiye-Mercedes engayona ngisho yakhe yakubo. Hayi bandla. Angithi uZuma bambophile, kumele bamkhiphe. Kumele bamkhiphe. Yo guys, shame yazini. Angeke, like I won't heal from that. Mele bamkhiphe. Yo, hayi bandla. Kumbe umuphi omunye wayenza into ezisnacks. It was just those, like, ibona kade abantu bebalekile. Kodwa awangidlekisa kakhulu shem uLoyet. Angithi uZuma bambophile, kumele bamkhiphe. Akazi naye uluthelani loya wavele wafike lo layini ekhanda cause bayambuza ukuthi why you looting uphethe umshini ekhanda. Athi angithi uZuma bambophile, kumele bamkhiphe. Uyambona uvuselele loyana kwathiwa asambeni kuyantshontshwa lapha. Wathi okay ngiyeza. Manje sebeyambuza ukuthi why untshontsha. Athi hayi ngitshontsha ngoba yazini abantu bayantshontsha nabo la bekhona yebo lodo. Like he sounded so dumb and funny. Keep. Yo, guys, let me sleep. I actually needed this. Like, I'm so fine right now. Cishe break down, ngakhala ngavuka amehlo amavuvukele. Yo, phela mina when I cry and then I wake up in the morning, ngivuka namehlo ami like swollen. Like my face is always just swollen like that. So I needed this. Like this was hella good. This was hella good. I love this. Like it was too good. Viennas. I have Viennas in the fridge. I could just warm up one Vienna and have it with like tomato sauce. No, I'm not gonna do that. Actually. No. Melabam keep it. Guys. Bye-bye. Sengikhathele manje ukuhleka kunini ngihleka mfana yazi ngamkhumbula lo munye bye like no this laugh is not worth my sleep. What Viennas, what pies now? Haibo, go eat. I can't go eat wena. Ngiyajima namhlanje, you little. Okay, well, it's just Viennas, but I'm not gonna eat. It's worth it. Trust me, it's not worth it. You guys are evil. I thought you guys were nice people. You guys are fucking evil. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Yo, sana. Labantu laba sana. I thought they were nice people. They are not. It's like walking with friends, but you don't. When they're going, and then you get stopped, and you get asked where. Exactly. No, guys. Man, you're eating Viennas will prevent you from going to the gym. Hi, boy, nah, satanism. We are nice people. I don't think you guys are nice people. I actually want to have like one Vienna, but then again, I'm like, yo, I'm fun. Ngaba nami nkosi, please, I beg. We are nice people. You are not nice people. Can you guess? No. I'm going through so much. I'm actually just happy right now. I don't know why. All of a sudden, I become so happy every time I go live. It doesn't it's just the negative comments, but half the time when I go live, I forget about my problems. I even joke about my problems. Like, I literally forget about everything. Like, you guys don't understand how much a live video heals me. Especially when it has like good-spirited people, when like whatever I say they listen, and then they don't just type to just ruin my day or just write that mean comment. Because you know how a human brain works. Like, you could have like 100 comments that are complimenting you, and then there's gonna just come that one bad comment, and then your brain is gonna want to focus on that bad comment so bad. And it doesn't just end there. It keeps ringing in your head. But I love it when my live video has like good vibe people. Like, abanganazo nje izinto ezi-malicious, abangazelanga izinto ey'bhedayo. I just want to stay live forever. Ngathi ngahlala kwi-live video forever and ever. Amen. Love it. But if you're a mean bitch, oh honey, I got you. Cause one thing about me, I always wanna beat up mean bitches. Like angingisabi nonke namantombazana anenhliziyo ezimbi. Ngathi nganishaya nonke nanamakhala namakhulu. Engathi angaze ama-office ey'mpukane. Namakhala amakhulu. It's not like they pay your rent and stuff. Exactly. It's not like they pay my rent and stuff. But you, like, a human brain doesn't care. Keep rent and stuff or whatever. Like, it just gets triggered. It does get triggered. Yeah, Madimpo. Batong pume, ubanu pume. Is that the one friend aloka Klosha? Klosha ban. Vuasinde ukhanyise bakithi. I-violence ekuseni sis. Are you in a relationship? Am I in a relationship? Why is it such an important question to ask? Ngo-6, kuyoshayo 6 manje. How is it so important? Like, yabona uma ungiphendula ukuthi ibaluleke ngani leyo question empilweni yakho, ngizokuphendula. Noma mhlawumbe izokunikeza imali, noma izokunikeza ama-boys. Noma izokunikeza angazi ini, like ama-gig if you were working kwi-entertainment space, or noma izokunikeza ama-track kwama-mines. Yini into ezokwenzela yona leyo question ongibuza yona? Start today. Hey, ngilale. Okay, love the yellow outfit. Yellow. Oh, yes. Thank you. We just need a love in Tabuzama. Guys, sengiyalala manje mina. Ukuthi uba nongikidnaphayo while I'm sleeping. Okwabo lokho, it's fine. But I just need to sleep. Now we know the type of guys you date, honey. Okay, good for you ke sana. Ngiphasile ke senze njani manje? Sikunikeza 100 hundreds over hundreds mase sikufaka isitayi esiphongweni. Noma sikufaka u-10 out of 10. Oh, noma ufuna senzeni? Oh, noma ufuna sikwenzeni? Sikwenze i-head girl ne? Asimenzeni i-head girl. Uyi-head girl manje ngoba uphasile wena. And yini uzothola ama-award ne? Uzothola ama-award, abantu abahlakaniphile. Yini enye ofuna ukuyithola? Ngoba you figured that out. Oh wow, you're so smart, smarties. What else? Like I love me some smart ass bitch. Like you're so smart. What else? Ufuna sikwenzeni enye? Soyenzani nje? Sokufaka e-Oxford. Yeah. And socela wena ukuthi kube uwena umuntu ozokwazi ukufunda i-dictionary, usitshele ukuthi imaphi amagama amasha ongasifakela wona khona ne, waze wabaluleka. Wow, yini enye esingakwenzela yona ngoba wena sham uhlakaniphile sizwe ngawe. What else? Like, what else could we do for you? Like, you're so smart. Trust me when I say I love me some fucking smart ass bitch. I love a smart ass bitch. I love a smart bitch. Yini enye esingakwenza yona? Futhi Oxford yenza kancane. No. Besides Oxford, yini nje into esingakwenza? Oh no, we're gonna put you in NASA. Yeah. You're gonna work with the people that actually tried starting the sea, they gave up, and then now they're like, you know, doing something else. Ne? Now they're like trying to study like the whole galaxy or whatever the case may be, or trying to discover amanyama planets that have life in them, like planet Mars, da 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 da. Ubalulekile wena yazi yini enye into esingakwenza yona? Umfundisi sokwenza upastor Mboro wena, sokwenza upastor Mboro because ubalulekile, you're so important. In fact, I was so high ukuthi ngize ngikufake lapha. No, sokwenza ukuthi wena kube wena umuntu ofika ne-cure ye-cancer. Yes, it's giving smart. Very, very smarty. I love it. Yini enye ofuna siyenze because waze wabaluleka. Wow. Love it for you, babes. Awufuna ukuthi sikusende sikuyise somewhere la nje uzofika nje ufike usifundele khona. I doubt ukuthi it's just planet Mars that has life in it. I think ukuthi singakuyisa nako Pluto wena uzofika ubone khona ukuthi kuyaphileka yini mase uyabuya nama-message ukuthi kuyaphileka yini ne-cure yani 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 kodwa eye-cancer more because also you can see ukuthi i-cancer angaziyenza kanjani but iyababulala abantu like seriously like it's bad. I don't know why people are not scared of cancer like that. People are not terrified of cancer. Ubalulekile yazini uhlakaniphile wena yazi smarties. In fact ngifuna wena, excuse me, wena ngifuna ukuthi kube wena ocabanga ukuthi ex yami icabangani la ikhona. Ngifuna ukukuqasha-ke mina-ke kulokhu because wena ngathi wazi kakhulu. Hlaba inkomo and celebrate my intelligence. Oh please, stupid ass bitch. You're so stupid. Stupid ass. Hlaba inkomo yakho ne. Stupid. Uh, you have cancer. I have cancer. Don't be mad, you stupid ass. Yo niyasangana nina. Yo niyasangana. Noma ufuna senzeni? Uthi ngilale kuyakhanya manje la iminyango guys ayikho normal le ngiyenza lana. Let me just sleep. Okay, I need to wear some pajamas. Some pajamas. Mm. Mm. Uh, honestly, I was about to sleep ngalezi ngubo lezi kade ngizigqokile but yo, Nkosi yami. We have ama-prophet. Lalela sinabantu aba-serious lana kumele senze imali lento yokulala ayikho. And kuyakhanya vele khona. Kusawu-good night vele or good morning. Cela kube good morning ngiyacela. With all due respect. Asilaleni guys thina malihlalela abangasebenzi. Siyalala manje ne. It was nice doing business. Ngiyalala ngempela but eish. At least ngiyiwashile i-makeup namhlanje. Like ngiyiwashile. Inkinga yami ukuthi ngiyobheka ama-pyjama manje laphayana. This love just got interested and you leaving. Hi bo. Asilaleni vele abasebenzayo. You have, have a great Monday. Oh, Monday. 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 Mahudu Monday. seniyosebenza niyibereke kuthiwani kompe ngalama language niyibereke whatever bereka my babes. Seniyosebenza kahle guys ne. Hayi kabi shem yazi. So nibeke emthandazweni yethu wokuvuka ngo-12. So nibeke nkosi yami mezivuka sithi moya ingcwele sikhulekela nalabo abavuke ngo-5:30. Nkosi yami abazophinde baphume emsebenzini ngo-7:30. Sikhulekela nabo hayi kabi asilwi. We're not fighting. But siyabakhulekela in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. See Metro FM yenu. Senikhapha emsebenzini. Let's meet emakube njalo. Angisayenzi leyo nonsense yasemakube njalo mina. Ngikhulile manje. Yabona? Ngikhulile. No, but the Lord is your shepherd. Yo, ngilambile lapho. I can't eat at this time. I literally can't. Abanami Nkosi. Noma even we ayikindaba yami mina. No guys, no, ngiserious. Ngiserious and kuzobe sekuvuswa mina ekuseni lana manje. Hey, yazini futhi. Mina ngiyofudumeza uphayi bese ngiyalala. Oh, ngikaze ngayirhalela ukofudumeza iVienna, but I'm not gonna do it because angifani nawe wena big bag. Big bag, big bag. Ubhizi udlala nophaya ngalesi sikhathi. Siyalala thina sinethena amafika nkosi yami nama-thin waist. Ngicela ningikhiphe mina kule equation ngoba manje yabona ngiyoze ngiyithole ngingqongqoza doctor. Uthe uDr Phethu uzoyishisa ifayili yami because mina nje sengiyi-too much. Njalo. Ama-flat stomach ethu awafuni ukuthi sidle ekuseni kangaka, bafuna sidle after 12. Guys, no, I'm sleeping now, honestly. Like, I'm dead as, like, feeling asleep. Yo, I saw some. Guys, let me tell you this one thing. Yo, let me not say it, also, it's gonna be too obvious. Fucking hell. I was fuming so bad. Like, this bitch was talking to my. Well, he's not my man, but basically, he's my man. He doesn't know that he's my man, but he's my man. And this bitch was talking to him for a good 20 minutes. Yo. And mina ngiyazazi ukuthi sometimes like I lose my mind. Ngifuna ukusukuma neglass ngithi mfa ebusweni mase ngithi ya uthini stupid. Yo. Ntombazane ngizoyibamba. It might not be today or tomorrow or next week or the following week or angazi nini but ngizombamba. Ngiyazi ukuthi akekho owaziyo ukuthi vele ukuthini but mina ngizombamba anginandaba ukuthi did she know or she didn't know. I don't give a fuck. Ngizombamba okusalayo. Outside pusher. Bye guys. I'm really sleepy and hungry. When uyahlanya vele angihlanyi ngaleyo ndlela ngihlanya occasionally Kodwa manje njengoba kuzoshisa uyazi ukuthi inhlanya kuthiwa ihlanya kakhulu uma ishisa. But mina at least angihlanyi, so njengoba kuzobe kushisa mina ngizobe ngi-normal. Kodwa wangisukela nje ngi-explode. But ngiyakunikeza ithuba before ngi-explode. I don't just wake up and then just start fighting you.